Shiba Inu token has created a storm on the internet and is performing well in the crypto field. Many investors believed it would be the next Doge. Will it happen? Will Shiba ever hit 10 cents? If so, when will it hit 10 cents? Make sure to watch the video till the end not to miss any important news. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are a Shiba Inu token holder or planning to buy it, then I'm sure you guys might be curious to know when Shiba Inu will hit 1 cent. Today we will have a look at some of the scenarios which could be the reasons for Shib to hit 10 cents. Before we start, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon not to miss any further updates on cryptocurrencies. So, without any further ado, let's start. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on 22nd of May, shall we? Shiba Inu price analysis has revealed a bearish market. Moreover, the market's volatility appears to follow a decreasing trend, making Shiba Inu's price less vulnerable to volatility fluctuations. As a result, the upper limit of the Bollinger's Band is present at 2,282 cents, which serves as the strongest resistance for Shib. Conversely, the lower limit of the Bollinger's Band exists at 748 cents, which acts as the strongest support for Shib. The SHIB/USD price appears to cross under the curve of the moving average, signifying a bearish movement. On the other hand, the price seems to follow a downward activity, showing a constantly decreasing market. Finally, the price has been trying to break the support once again, which will cause a breakout in the market. The market dynamic will be shifted in the bull's favor and prove to be a silver lining. Shiba Inu price analysis reveals the relative strength index, RSI score of 32, signifying a devalued cryptocurrency. Furthermore, the RSI falls in the undervalued region. Therefore, following a linear approach signals constant characteristics and represents the selling activity equaling the buying activity, causing the RSI score to remain dormant. Shiba Inu price analysis reveals the market to have entered a complete bearish movement, showing room for future depreciation of Shiba Inu. Furthermore, the bears currently dominate the market and are likely to maintain it. As a result, the market offers massive room for further declining activity, which could destabilize Shib and lose more value. However, since the market is broken, we can assume that the bulls will take care of the market soon. Now let's get back to topic. Shib is a spontaneous, decentralized community building experiment. Shib token is the first token to hold billions or possibly trillions of users in the network. This ERC20 only token is known as the Dogecoin killer and can remain under a penny in a little space and still over Dogecoin. shibatoken, $Shib, the world's first cryptocurrency token to be published and encouraged on shibaswap, has already risen to thousands of percent. 50% of Uniswap total supply was locked and the keys were thrown away. The rest of the 50% was burned to Vitalik Buterin. Everyone has to acquire on the open market to ensure that developers don't have team tokens and they may dispense with the community in a fair and comprehensive distribution. It also released 2 more tokens besides the Shib token, Bone and Leash. Leash was set initially as a token rebound linked to Dogecoin price. It was fully released and will not be replenished. The circulation is only 100,000 tokens, with the opposite of Shib, which has a bigger supply and gives those that provide liquidity particular prizes. Bone. The next token to launch is Shiba Inu Bone. Bone will be announced when shibaswap is announced as the distribution of token, economic model, and incentive measures. Shib's invention will complete an entirely decentralized effort to distribute tokens based on procedures like proof of stake, POS. The majority of blockchain initiatives were based in the early days on the proof of work, POW technique. Everybody can mine just like Bitcoin. This type of token distribution is entirely decentralized, but once the proof of stake mechanism emerged, there was some degree of centralization in the distribution of tokens of blockchain projects. Tokens are often saved for the team and the foundation for projects based on techniques like POS. The team tokens are used mostly for team development and the foundation tokens are used mainly for ecological construction. Both are almost the same in practice and the centralization drawbacks are very significant. The Shiba Inu community needs everyone to purchase on the open market so that developers are not allowed to dump their team tokens in the community and so guarantee equity and complete decentralization. How the coin can be burned. And shibaswap is the best thing because can burn the coin while you conduct the transaction and get the advantage that nobody truly will lose. But in the decentralized zone, the transaction or everything that transpired can be burned so that the Shiba Inu can easily do this too. If the shibaswap and Shiba Inu team decide to burn 6,666% of Shiba Inu token coin, the new supply will consist of around 131 trillion token coins. When we see that the Dogecoin current market cap, if hypothetically market cap besides 4 times as high as the Dogecoin, if the Shiba Inu team and the shibaswap decide to burn the coin and if it is truly popular on the market, we regularly expect that the market cap will be increased. In this sense, perhaps it is a possibility. Maybe it is not a big question. This is therefore like a balance of over half the currency burning in. At the same time, the The market cap increases because that leads to the price increase as the overall supply decreases. Thirdly, the crypto market would reach at least $15 if it reached 1 cent, because Shiba Inu is worth $3.9 trillion if you don't burn coins at 1 cent. When we look at the cryptocurrency chart, it has taken around 2 to 3 years, and a cryptocurrency pandemic has taken between $150 B and $2 billion. Now it must be between 1.5 and 15 trillion. If we don't have another global catastrophe, we guess it may take another 3-5 years, so it is unlikely Shiba will get there in the next year or two due to the sheer size of a 1 cent market cap. Price analysts yes, before the brief sweep of 11 June under 19 May, Shiba Inu prices were trapped in a dismal downward channel, effectively clearing the weak holders and the sacks of anxiety. The first rebellion was boosted by news in the Coinbase Pro, such that 2 decisive levels of resistance, expressed in the 4-hour chart, stopped the surge. Now, Shib tries to discern if the rip was a new start or one-hit wonder. From 11 June to 15 June, Shiba Inu successfully tested $0.7 for its low mid-19, broke a decreased channel, overcame a significant $0.770 resistance, briefly overcame the apex of a $0.888 multi-week symmetric triangle, and tagged $978 with a 204-hour SMA. In addition, almost 80% of Shiba's advance was shaken by the preceding bearish price structure as skepticism. To begin with, Shiba Inu prices need a nearly above 770 cents and a 4-hour SMA 200 intersection of 883 cents and the 888 cent symmetrical apex triangle. If successful, Shib will be ready for 1,048 cents on 2 June. An advantage of 18% from the crossing. Additional Shiba Inu resistance includes the high of May 20 at 1,214 cents, which is an increase of 36% from the above intersection. The number of daily active addresses is an improved on-chain metric for Shib. Daily active addresses display the daily number of single Shib addresses. The statistic also displays the daily involvement or speculation of the crowd with the digital asset. Increased readings show investment interest, whereas lower readings show the reverse. The coin has increased 9% of its value within the last 24 hours. The price of Shiba Inu has recently tried to overcome the resistance of roughly 10 cents but has not been able to build up enough momentum. If Shiba Inu can cross the 10 cents barrier, the next level will be 12 cents. The next level of resistance of 135 cents is challenged if the price increases on this level. Shib investors were primed after the introduction of the list of altcoins for trade as one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. The immediate exuberance has faded rapidly, though, and it is now difficult for Shiba Inu to have a critical average moving within a day. The weight of an unstable cryptocurrency market is demonstrated. More importantly, it depicts the struggles of an experimental cryptocurrency that attempts to make the turn higher after a major decline and discouraging decrease. With this, we have to the end. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know in the comments below your view on this.